Welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach. Before I begin, first of all, this is not my music playing in the background, a little jazz station. Today's topic is going to be a follow-up to the video I did the other day. And of course, I should probably say this. This is 2020, and I'm going to be talking about the FICO 10. You'll know it as FICO 10, FICO 10T, FICO 10 Suite. All of those names you'll come to recognize. But hopefully you'll catch that last video, and I'll put that up in the. You'll see that at the end of this video. That video, you can go back and watch it if you want. But really, just to go on from that video, and hopefully you guys will go back and catch it. But look. FICO 10 is going to be basically judge your credit a little harsher if you carry a balance, if you miss payments, which always kind of been the case. Supposedly are going to score personal loans, unsecured loans a little differently. It may affect your score 20 points or so if you're 600 and under. But to let you know all of that is to say this. The thing about it, you got to remember that lenders don't have to use FICO score 10. You guys may not remember Ultra FICO score last year, 2019, that they introduced this summer, and of course they are planning on introducing or instituting FICO 10 this midsummer of this year, 2020. So, but the lenders can choose not to use it or use it. Remember, FICO score 8 is more widely used than any other FICO scoring system. So don't panic, take a deep breath, do what you've been doing, pay down your debt, reduce your utilization. Don't be afraid, forget the 30% utilization thing. You can pay off your credit cards, pay them down. You don't have to have a balance. Unlike that's a whole myth. You guys hopefully have seen some other videos. But look, don't panic. They may not even use it. You can always call the lender who you choose to finance with, or you may finance with, and figure out and ask them what scoring system are they using. Most times you can find out. So I just wanted to drop this a little bit of knowledge with you. You guys know I've been doing this for a long time. The other thing too, while I'm thinking about it, I know some of you have mentioned other free credit scores. You guys know I like Experian.com and my FICO scores. Also too, for some of you folks who were saying that, do you have any free FICO score systems to check on? Discover, you guys know I love Discover. Discover has a free Discover scorecard. You could go on, I think it's called cps.discover.com, and they give you a free FICO 8 score for free. You don't even need the account. Now, many of you guys, credit cards that you have also have free monitoring service, but I don't like most of those because pretty much all of those, they have gone to the Vantage score, which just ignore. I would totally ignore those unless it's and some other cards do have FICO 8, and I think one or two uses FICO 9. But I just wanted to drop that. But this video is primarily about FICO 10. If you guys got any questions or you'd like to see any other videos on this subject, please hit me up. And before I get out of here, please, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button if you like this message today. Hit the bell, notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment. And most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. So, hey, thanks for hanging out with me again. Driving with Tony, and I am being safe, y'all. Peace. Tony Hill, trying to make sense of credit every day. Peace, y'all. I'm out.